Welcome back to another video. The topic we are going to discuss is the MySQL Group By statement. So basically this is another one. So the thing which we are going to do is, let me give you the brief explanation about the MySQL Group By statement. Is the group by statement groups rows that have the same value into summary rows. For example, I will give you one clear example. So you have a database of your employer and you have the salary of them, but you don't know how much you are giving for for example, let me give you one employees like major and HR or marketing. These majors, like, you don't know how much you are paying for them. So by this query, which is group by statement, you can count the salary, you can get the total salary, you can get the average of salary, which of your employees having more salary, which of them is not having more, less they are having, so which of them is having a max salary. So by this SQL statement, which is group by statement, you can find out. So let's go for it. Let me enter my system. So let's create the table first. Create table. So this table name, we will say it number. The name of table, I would like to give the number. So I want to have ID, integer, primary. As I have explained, that primary key and auto increment. So next I would like to have a name, worker. So we'll leave 15. I want to have a last name, worker. So this one also 15. And I want to have a age also integer. And I want to have a salary also. Salary is the main one, which we are going to do is salary. And I want to have an email. Email as a worker, data type. So giving 15. And going to insert it. As you can see, the query is okay, 0 is affected. It means successfully the query is inserted. Just typing describe. Let's see the create table is created or not. Just type the name of your table number. As you can see, the structure of the table which we have added, it's already inserted and it's showing to your database. So the second step we're going to do is inserting. And don't worry, this is not the operation which we're going to do the group by statement. So first we need to do the steps. First we need to create, insert, and then we're going to do the operations. So insert into number. So let's do it this name. I want to have the last name, which I have given already. So age, and then salary, and then we have email also. Close it and give the values. Now we are going to give the values. I would like to give some random name. Well, as you wish, whatever you're going to give it age this. So last name also Khairkha. Let me make it proper to the ER, and then the age. The second one is age 32. Then the one salary is 23k. I would like to give it. And the another which we have it is email. So by adding at gmail.com. So just close your bracket and enter it. As you can see, it's inserted. So I'm going to just edit it because it will take so much time for that. Be seen, then I wanna give it 30k. This one is also 22, and then this one is the UR, and then this one is I'm going to give it TFGH, and then enter. This one is also created. Let's go for another one, DEF, and then this one I want to give it 45k, the age is 26, and this one is EWR, so just random name, and this one is DEF. Let's create one more. Make sure to understand that. So AWR, and I want to give this one as, let's give it 15k. This, the age we will give it 36, and the name I want to give you T, and then this one is EV. So it's enough. More than that, it will make you like tired. So let's do the operation. Let me show you the table now. Select stop from. As you can see, the table, the database is created. We successfully create the table, we insert the value. Now we can see our table in the database. The next step we are going to do is select name. I want to have a name also, sum, just open bracket and type salary, then close it and say it as total salary, and then give an enter one, then type from. Now this time you have to give the name of table, number, and group by name. And as you can see, now we have our table, and inside of your table we have the value and the data type. And the second step we have done it, which is the group by statement. This is the best operation for the MySQL, and you can easily get the total salary, and you can get it easily how many of your employees getting the salary, how many of them is not getting. So by this query easily you can find out that. And the same operation you can do the average, max, and these 2-3 of them. So thank you for watching. I hope I have made it clearly understanding that. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and support. Thank you.